afternoon, Namaskar. My name is Dr. Akshay Batra, and I'm the Managing Director of Dr. Batra's clinic. I'm also a trichologist from London, and I'm the first ever Indian to be elected as the President of the Trichological Society of London, UK. Today, we are here to launch a very specific treatment, which is the world's best treatment for hereditary hair loss, particularly. This is called XOGEN, and it is made up of exosomes, which are very, very small particles of medicine that go into the hair follicle and start their action. This is a targeted treatment and a precise treatment that really helps all patients of hair loss get very effective and very quick results as compared to anything else in the market, any other available treatment. This treatment also has mRNA, which is very, very effective for hereditary hair loss. So if you're suffering from hereditary hair loss, and if you find that you have male pattern baldness or female pattern baldness or any type of hair loss, please come to our clinic for an assessment so that doctors can advise you about how this treatment can help you. We are seeing 95% results with this treatment, which is very high. We are seeing hair growth in patients in as less as 4 sessions. Every session is 45 minutes long. It's very easy to do, and we recommend sessions every 2 weeks. So in 2 months, we are seeing very, very good results. In 2 months, we are seeing patients getting some hair growth. Like I said, it's the most effective and the fastest treatment in the market today for all types of hair loss. Thank you.
Talk about no side effects.
Like I said, this treatment is not only fast to show result, it's also easy for patients, and it has no side effects. So it's very convenient. The patient comes to the doctor, he gets an assessment, he starts his treatment. In 45 minutes, the session is over. There is very little discomfort and pain, and absolutely no side effects. So very useful in all ways.
So XOGEN means what?
XOGEN is a technology, like I said, that is based on exosomes, and exosomes is something that is the latest in regenerative medicine, and it is used to regenerate the hair follicle and to activate the hair follicle in order to grow. So these exosome cells are very, very small cells. They are applied on the scalp through serum. It goes into the hair root and then starts its action. Usually when you apply medicine on the scalp, there is loss of medicine from the application to the hair follicle. But because of these exosomes, which carry the medicine and go into the hair cell and then open up, there is no loss of medicine from application to hair follicle, which is one reason why it's more effective than any other treatment. The second reason why it's more effective than any other treatment is because the number of growth factors are those that activate your hair follicle to grow. They are full of peptides and proteins. And the number of growth factors in our treatment is 1470 versus 14 in any other treatment. So it's almost 100 times more growth factors. So because it is targeted, because the exosome cells go into the hair follicle, there's no loss of medicine from scalp to application. And because of the fact that the growth factors are so many, which is why we are finding that this treatment is giving the best results in the shortest possible time. At the end, what we want as doctors at Dr. Batra's is to give our patients the latest, the safest, and the most effective in the shortest possible time. So this is the latest, this is the most effective, it is the shortest possible time because like I said, in only 4 sessions we are seeing hair growth in patients, and particularly for those hair types where earlier there were no treatments available. No results were really there from various other treatments in the market, or results were very slow, and it is the safest option in the market. So therefore, this is a treatment that will really benefit patients who are suffering from hair loss. Look all over.
இந்த எக்ஸோஜன் தெரப்பி அப்படிங்கிறது பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா லேட்டஸ்ட் இன் த வேர்ல்ட். இந்தியாவில் ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் நாங்கள் வி ஆர் இன்ட்ரடியூஸ்ட். இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஷார்ட்டஸ்ட், எஃபெக்டிவ், வெரி எஃபெக்டிவ், காஸ்ட் எஃபெக்டிவ் அண்ட் ரிசல்ட் எஃபெக்டிவ் ஆல்சோ. இது இந்த எக்ஸோஜன் தெரப்பி அப்படிங்கிறது பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா இதனுடைய மருந்து அப்ளை பண்ண உடனே மற்ற மருந்து வேஸ்ட் ஆகாது. நேராக ஃபாலிக்கலுக்கு முடியினுடைய வேர் அதுக்குள்ளே போயிட்டு தான் ஆக்ஷன்ஸே ஆரம்பிக்கும். ப்ளஸ் இது டார்கெட்டட் தெரப்பி அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இந்த டார்கெட்டட் தெரப்பிங்கிறது என்னென்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா இந்த மேலே இந்த எக்ஸோஜன் அப்ளை பண்ணி தெரப்பி பண்ணும்போது இட் வில் கோ டு த டிஃபெக்டிவ் ஃபாலிக்கல்ஸ். பழுதான ஃபாலிகல்ஸ்க்கு போய் ஆக்ட் பண்ணி அதை ரீஜெனரேட் பண்ணி ஹேர் க்ரோத் கொடுக்கும். ஸோ இட் வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல் ஃபார் ஆல் கிரேட் ஆஃப் ஆல் மேல் அண்ட் ஃபீமேல் அண்ட் ஆல் டைப் ஆஃப் ஹேர் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ். நிறைய வாய்ப்புகள் ரொம்ப குறைவு. பட் எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம் கண்டிஷன்ஸ் தேர் ஆர் சான்சஸ். அது நம்ம மருத்துவத்தில் என்ன காரணங்கிறத கண்டுபிடிச்சி அதை மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நம்ம